Welcome back to another video in which I'll be showing you how to adjust or how to change the alarm volume on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is go to the clock app on your Samsung phone and launch it. Now on the clock app, you have options at the bottom here. You have timer, stopwatch, wall clock. More importantly, you have alarm. So what you want to do is select the alarm whose volume you want to change, and then tap on alarm sound. And at the bottom of the alarm sound page, you should see a slider that you can use to increase or reduce the alarm volume. Once you choose your volume, hit the back button and then tap on save. And that is basically how to change or how to adjust the alarm volume on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.